I just want to say to all the people out there.
All that shit nigga doing on PlayStation, now it's time to get serious.
You can tell by the way he talking what just happened. First game.
You lost, nigga. You got skunked.
Wow. I just won. What happened, 21?
Anyway, it's Yachty money.
What happened?
You lost, nigga. 10,000. You got your ass spanked.
I took it, I ain't tripping. But my little brother gonna come back. He gonna win me something back. He gonna win me something back.
Shout out to my boy Lil Yachty, man. Giving me 10,000 on 2K. He thought he was gonna beat me on 2K, man. Yeah. Thank you, Lil Yachty. Lil Boat.
It's crazy. That shit's so fire.
Hey, bro, how'd you get your ass whipped by 21, man? I'm so mad at that.
Bro, I beat 21 the first time, bro. I beat him by like 10 points, bro, on PS4.
Did y'all play PS2 out of 3?
He called it a practice match.
What? Yo, he finessed you out of your money.
My name
so you beat him.
Let's go.
And then he looked.
So this is what was happening. I came through. He had the Xbox. Who you about to get?
No, you could get a Warriors. I don't care, nigga. Nigga, you about to get your ass whipped.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect.
So look,
stop playing with my fucking name.
So
I'll drill y'all. Stop playing with my name. I ain't gonna say it no more.
He had just cracked the Xbox Scorpio out the box, like brand new. Like he was still loading his stuff up. So it was downloading 2K.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect.
Time.
Let's go. Stop playing with my fucking name. I'll drill y'all. Stop playing with my name.
So I was like, bro, I already got it loaded on PS4. So I hooked up the PS4. We just took the HDMI out, and then he still had it loading. And so he was like, he kept complaining. I don't like the controls. I don't like this. The graphics suck. It's weird. It's different. And we played on Xbox.
I'm about to beat your ass with Trailblazers, dog. It's about to be lit. So literally 21 finessed you out of 10 racks, dog. That shit crazy. Hold on, yo, wasn't there a referee or something to be like, yo, nigga, even if you don't like it, nigga, here's the rules. Like, what the fuck? Yo, that nigga bullied you out of your 10 racks. Like, yo,
he didn't really care. He honestly didn't even care. But it was like, it's 10 racks, whatever, who cares?
Oh, hell no, nigga. 10 racks could change my life, nigga. 10 racks is rent for 2 years. I'm playing.
Get it back. He playing broadcast, bro. He plays in fucking broadcast. Broadcast fucking sucks.
Yeah, broadcast does fucking suck.
Felt like we was playing live, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. If you don't beat me this game, bro. I'm done with you. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh.
Hold that. Damian Lillard.
Bro, this do not suck, bro.
Three times the charm. Let's go. Let's go. Damian fucking Lillard. Let's go. Oh, come on. Weak.
Go away.
Back the hell up. Oh! Oh, come on, man. Lillard, what the fuck, bro? Nigga, did you pass it to your center? Oh, shit, man. I forgot. You got some real niggas on this team.
And go.
Here we go.
Going on, boyfriend? That's Molly. Hey, what's up with all the rappers trying to be positive now?
Well, I mean, you know what I mean? They biting the swag, bro. You know what I mean? Everybody's on the positivity, dog. Well, you know what's funny? Like, remember, like, you were kind of like the nigga out of the ordinary, just kind of pushing positivity. Now I just think, I don't know. I think everybody's just on.
Now, like, every rapper is just like, be yourself and don't let anybody tell you can't do you. And
every rapper is a motivational speaker. I ain't gonna lie to you. Every rapper.
I mean, that's a good thing. Of course, I'm not like mad at that. It's just.
I don't know. You know what it is, man. I think Lil Peep's death kind of like really made niggas start thinking, man. I don't know.
Yeah, it kind of struck. It struck. first death. It's unfortunate this one, but you know, every
Hey,
time someone.
yo, I'm not gonna lie. I've never really listened to Lil Peep's music before, like recently. Yeah, that nigga shit fire, bro. Like it's super fire.
I heard anything.
Yo, he got some joints. Like because I heard Post Malone. Post Malone was like, yo, Post Malone was like, yo, he was gonna change music, and I was like, man, Post Malone, if you don't shut the hell up with that bullshit. And then I heard some songs. He got some timeless sounding music. It's like emo like rock rap. It's really, he's really a rock artist rapping, like singing over trap beats, which is very interesting. You know what I mean? I don't know if there's been someone like that. So I give that credit off the rip. But he got some good songs.
What's his main song? What's his biggest song?
I don't know his biggest song, but the one I like now, I like Ben's Truck and I like Better Off Dying. Them joints is fucking fire, bro.
Ben's Truck is okay. Better Off Dying, I'm listening to it.
Oh, look at that cross, yo. Yo, Yachty, last time I was going to blow you out by 40, man. You know, you started talking and you fucking distracted me. Yo, Lillard can't fucking
you talk the whole game.
That is true. I do talk a lot. But I kind of feel bad for you, so, you know what I mean? I figured, fuck it. Who cares? Yeah, give me that. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I got a bad feeling about this game. But I cannot lose to Lil Yachty. Not in 2K. I refuse.
As long as we even out our record, I'm cool.
Nigga, you'll never beat me in life, nigga. The fuck? Yo, are you going to pull back up on 21 or what?
I'm going to play Bow Wow, too. He just want... Bow Wow want to play.
Bruh, yo, you play Bow Wow, man. Bow Wow hitting you with a boom gang, whole lot of gang shit, nigga. Come on, man. You think Bow Wow about to pay?
Yeah.
Yo, come on, dog. Yo, come on.
Fight it so bad.
Bow Wow hoping he beat you. You know what I mean? That he could, you know what I mean? Book another session at the private jet spot that he could take some pics. Like, come on.
Bow Wow play this shit religiously. You know he was in this shit one year?
Who, Bow Wow?
Yeah, whenever they had the celebrities in there, like 2K13. Lay. Drake. I'm not sure if Drake was in. You remember when you could play with the celebrities? When they had the celebrity? You don't remember that?
Nah, nigga. That must have been like 2K prehistoric, nigga. Like, what the fuck?
I was like 2K13. But Bow Wow was in 2K. You used to cook. Remember when they had the celebrities sitting on the court on the front row?
Oh yeah, okay. You just shooting anything. Here we go. McCullough about it.
Wow.
This nigga's nasty. Oh, come on. Yo, what's up with my guys, man?
Show me something.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit, nigga. Yo, was 21 talking shit? Yo, y'all should have live streamed that shit, man.
Nothing. I know. I wanted to, but I just thought I was gonna be trying too hard. Like I was going to, and I was like, I don't want to look like a weirdo. Cause I already had walked in with like a full game setup, and he was looking at me like I was crazy.
Wait, so you basically the nigga that pulled up to the court with the fucking Jordan Bulls jersey on, and you lose.
Crazy. Like I want y'all to undo my briefcase and have a full laptop, webcam, PlayStation, whole setup, and just look crazy.
Oh, yo, I can't shoot shit with this nigga, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You trash out. I ain't gonna lie.
They're not trying to give me nothing, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you super trash though. Man, time out, nigga. You don't stop double teaming me, nigga. Hold that, nigga. Hold that shit. All right, my ball. Y'all gotta put in my shooters, yo. This is ridiculous.
Just bust down.
What song was that? Alright, man. Yo, chat, I played a horrible first fucking quarter, and like we're tied, so no, or I'm up by 1, so I'm good. Yeah, Lillard's shooting like 31% from the 3 in real life. Do you watch basketball in real life or not? You just follow the game.
Oh nah.
Why not?
Oh, you got cable, bro.
Me too. I just go on NBA.com and check. Well, actually, I do got cable. I just don't watch it. I go on NBA.com and I check the scores. Oh, come on. What the fuck? They cheating for you.
I didn't know my nigga Devin Booker was so far, bro.
What? He beat you? I heard y'all played, right?
Life.
What? He won?
Like on highlights, like in the NBA.
Oh, you ain't know he was that good in real life. Oh.
He's crazy.
Nigga, he dropped like 81 points or some shit like that. Or 60 points.
Insane, bro. He's insane.
Yo, him and Steph
goes
Curry.
crazy.
Yo, him and Steph Curry, like, you know what I mean, bringing the light-skinned niggas back in the NBA.
He had played last night, too. He's dumb fire at this shit. Like, he's dumb fire.
Who?
That Devin Booker.
Yeah, y'all played on here, right?
My connection went out last night, man. It was raining. I was out without internet for the whole night. Shit was trash.
That mean you caught a L.
Yeah, we didn't finish the game, but it cut my stream off. I was upset, and I had nothing else to do.
Oh, Yachty, what up, bro? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, chat. I'm putting the pressure on this nigga, cause I know this shit going on YouTube. So they was clowning me in the YouTube comments for letting you come back from a 30-point lead. So I can't let you do it no more, bro. I'm sorry. You know what I mean? I was trying to be nice the first time.